Ladies and gentlemen, gather round. You thought Suzuki was a thing of the past, didn't you? Like that one pair of jeans you keep in the back of your closet just in case, but never wear. Well, guess what? Suzuki is back, and not with some rusty old sedan from the 90s that you'd find in the background of a bad teen movie. No, they're bringing the heat with snow-clearing drones, self-driving cargo skateboards, and electric pods. Seriously, I'm just waiting for them to drop a robot that walks your dog for you while you kick back with a cold one. But hey, before we get into all this futuristic awesomeness, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because this is the kind of stuff that makes me wish I had a DeLorean to jump into and go straight to 2025. Alright, let's talk about what Suzuki's bringing to the CES stage. First, we've got the Super Carry pickup. It's small, it's mighty, and it's perfect for those of us who need a truck but don't have the parking space for one that's bigger than our apartment. It's basically the compact car of the truck world. You could drive this thing in your sleep, but don't actually drive it in your sleep, okay? Safety first. Now, the real kicker here is the electric mobility base unit. It's like they took the idea of a car, stripped it down to its bare essentials, and made it useful. This thing's a robot chassis that can be customized with autonomous driving tech. Picture this, a snow-clearing drone that zooms around your driveway, clearing snow while you're inside sipping hot cocoa. Yeah, that's a reality now. This little bot packs a 210-watt motor, can hit speeds of 6 kilometers h about 3.7 miles per hour, and can travel a solid 30 kilometers 18.6 miles on a single charge. Basically, it's your new winter hero. Who needs a shovel when you've got a robot snowplow? But wait, there's more! Suzuki's also showing off the Applied EV. It's like the love child of a skateboard and a self-driving car. It's an electric cart that can carry stuff for you, whether it's in a warehouse or, who knows, your local grocery store when you're too lazy to carry the milk. It's like a personal chauffeur, but for your snacks. And just when you thought that was cool, they reveal a passenger capsule that'll cruise around its own designated lane. I mean, come on, forget cars, just give me a pod that I can live in while it drives me to work. Talk about taking public transportation to the next level. If Uber ever pulls this off, they're gonna need to start charging by the foot. So Suzuki's not just making cars anymore, they're building a whole new world of tech that'll make you wonder why you even had to shovel your driveway or wait for an Uber. They're taking us into the future, one robot at a time. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.